It looks like a bigger stack anyway, too. Thank you so much.
Gill's Grinders in Rutland, Vermont, holds a special place in the hearts of locals and visitors alike, boasting a 22-year legacy on rods, rolls, and bread. As dawn breaks, the aroma of freshly baked rolls and bread fills the air, a testament to Rod and his team's dedication to quality. The deli counter sees an early morning rush, with Gill's girls expertly preparing the ingredients for the day's grinders. Regulars line up eagerly, some already knowing their favorite orders by heart, ensuring the queue moves swiftly despite its length. But what truly sets Gill's apart is the secret seasoned oil, a tradition passed down through generations. Veda, inspired by her grandmother Noni, has shared this culinary secret with Kathy, preserving the taste of tradition in every bite. Whether it's the anticipation of sinking your teeth into a classic grinder or the comforting familiarity of a cherished childhood haunt, Gill's Grinders remains a beacon of culinary delight in Rutland, Vermont.